If you're looking for an easy way to increase the resolution of your low-quality images, you need to start using image upscaling tools. Many of these programs use AI to quickly enhance the clarity and sharpness of an image. In just a few seconds, you can go from this to this. Today, we're going to show you some of the best free image upscalers to use right now. Let's get started. The first tool on our list is Zyro.com. If you hover your mouse over Products and click AI Image Upscaler, you'll have access to one of the easiest and quickest upscalers available, and it's completely free to use with no account required. All you have to do is drag and drop the image that you want to enhance, and Zyro will automatically upscale it for you, increasing the clarity and resolution. You can use the slider to preview the before and after results, and then just click download to save the image to your computer. You can also upload another image if you have more photos to upscale. Although Zyro is super fast and user-friendly, it doesn't give you the option to adjust your upscale settings, which can sometimes affect the results. They also don't have a mobile app for smartphones and tablets, unlike the other upscaling tools on our list. But if you're just looking for a quick and simple way to upscale your images, Zyro is definitely worth checking out. The next tool on our list is Upscale.media. It's completely free with no account required, and you can use it through your desktop browser, or you can also download their mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store. To get started, you can simply drag and drop the image that you want to upscale, or you can also copy and paste the URL of an image. Make sure to check out the max resolution and supported file formats before uploading. After uploading your image, give it a few seconds to process, and a preview of your upscaled image will appear. You have 3 different upscale sizes to choose from, and you can also enhance the quality for maximum effect. If you hover your mouse over the image, you'll get a closer look at the before and after results, allowing you to see how the program has improved the resolution of your image. Once you're happy with the results, just click Download Image to save it to your device. The last tool on our list is Pixelcut AI. Pixelcut is free to use, and it produced some of the best results out of all the image upscalers we tested. It also comes packed with a few extra features, and they have a downloadable app for your iPhone or iPad. Once you're on the homepage, hover your mouse over Tools and click Image Upscaler from the drop-down menu. Then, just drag and drop the image that you want to use. Once it's uploaded, you can choose between 2 times or 4 times upscaling. The process only takes a few seconds, and you can use the zoom slider to examine the details of your image. If you're happy with the results, just click Download HD to save the image to your computer. You will need to make a free account to download the image, but you only need to provide your email address. You can also click Open Editor if you want to edit your image further. This allows you to add text, stickers, shapes, and more to your image. However, not everything in the editor is available to use with a free account, but for basic image upscaling, you're definitely good to go. Well, that wraps up today's video. If you learned something new, remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.